should one meditate for? One should meditate for 40 to 45 minutes per day. The transcendental meditation tradition often commands 20 minutes twice daily. Researchers found that listening to a guided meditation for 20 minutes is enough to make an impact, even if you have never meditated before. For most people, a meditation starts usually once or twice a day for 15 to 30 minutes would work well. Others claim that when you have enough experience, the optimal time to meditate is 45 or so minutes. So I would say about 30 to 45 minutes. Please subscribe, share, and return. Thank you.